Welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to show you how to make a Christmas sleigh. I've shown you how to make reindeers in the past. Everyone seems to be making trees at the moment, so I thought I'd do something different. I have thrown together some plans that are available on my Etsy store. The link will be down below if you want to follow these 5 plans. Otherwise, let's get started. Thank you for watching the build this far through, and I hope you found it interesting and how we made this little guy here. We started off with just a pallet block, 95mm by 140mm by 75mm. You can see we sort of did it like a bandsaw box, so we did it in 3 pieces, then we glued them back together. Yeah, I'm really happy with how the outcome came out, and it's actually a quick and easy project on the bandsaw. A lot like the reindeers. If you haven't seen that video, I'll put a link down below for you. We're making like this guy here, which is a supersizing my normal reindeer pattern. If you could give the channel a quick like, that'd be great. If you could subscribe, that'd also be great, because a very high percentage of my viewers are not actually subscribed to the channel. You could leave any comments down below what you would do differently, or anything else you think I should attempt. And I'll see you on the next video. If you like this quick video on the bandsaw, then why don't you check out this video right here? Otherwise, click on the subscribe button, would also help out the channel. And I'll see you on the next one. Thank you.